Good morning, children. Let's start exercise 6.4. Question number 1. Find the square root of the following numbers by division method. The numbers are 2304 and 4489. See, this division method is new for you. Let us see how to find out the square root of a given number using division method. Write down 2304, clear, in this way, clear, and make the structure of division method. It is just like division, clear. Here the children, most important thing is making pair and putting bars. Okay children, how to make pairs? We have to make pairs from the right hand side, that is from units digits, that is here. This is one pair 1 2 and another pair is 23. So the here see, 23 is your present dividend. Okay children, 23 is your present dividend, that has to be divided by a number. Clear. Now let us choose a divisor for 23. That is, if you take 4 4 just 16, 4. See here, one thing we have to take care of. If we choose a number 4, then we have to take it 4 ja. If we choose a number 5, then we have to take the division 5 5 ja. If you have to take choose 6, then you have to take division 6 6 ja. Clear. So here you write, if 4 4 ja 16, 4 4 ja 16 over there. Then you subtract it, that is 13 minus 6 equal to 7, and 2 minus 1 minus 1 equal to 0. Now 0 4 is the next pair, so carry it down, that is 704. Now here one thing is there, they say this 4 has to be doubled, means add 4 over there. Now it became 4 plus 4 equal to 8, and leave a blank over there. Clear children. Now 704 is your current dividend. Okay, now you have to select a number according to the situation, according to the dividend. Clear. That what, that see, if we multiply, clear, this, see, if we choose 8 over there, then number became, then what, then number became 88. If we choose 8 over there, then this number became 88. Now since we have chosen 8 over there, so now 88 multiply by 8 we have to see. 88 multiply by 8, that is 8. Here also we will write. Clear. Here also we will write, that is 88 8 ja 8 8 ja 16, 1 is carry over, 8 8. Clear. Okay children, that is, see, 8, see, 88 8 ja we have to see, that is 8, what is, sorry, 8 8, what is this, 8 8 ja 64. Clear. And 6 is what, 6 is carry over. Now 8 8 just 64, and 6, that is 70. Okay children, here say, since 8 we have chosen, so 88 multiply by 8, that is 8 8 just 64. Clear. And 6 is carry over, and 8 8 just 64, and 6, that is 70. So 704 is exact number that is needed. So here, that is 704. 704. Now this, now you subtract it. 4 minus 4 equal to 0, 0 minus 0 equal to 0, and 7 minus 7 equal to 0. Since your remainder is 0, r equal to 0, r equal to 0, it means that 2304 is a perfect square number. Okay children, this implies that square root of 2304 equal to 48. Okay children, so this is how we have to find out the square root of the given number using your division method. Okay children, here see, since there is no number to carry down, there is no pair to carry down, it means that, see, now see, we will not add 8 over there, otherwise 8 will be added over here also for the next divisor. Okay children, now let us solve another question, that is 4489. 4489 is another number whose square root has to be found out using division method. Let us start. 4489, the same process will be followed here. Now make the pairs beginning from the right, this one's place, that is, this is 89 and this is 44. Okay children, now 44 is your current dividend. 44 is your current dividend. So according to this 44, you have to select a divisor. Clear. Let us take divisor 6. Now 6 you have selected, so 6 6 you have to try, that is 6 6 that is 6 6 are 36. Now the same 6 will be added over here, that is 6, and that will be written over here, and leaving one blank space here, one place blank here. Now subtract, it is 14. 14 minus 6 equal to 14 minus 6 equal to 8, children, and this is 3 minus 3 equal to 0. This 89 is carried down. 89 is the pair, 89 is carried down. Now select a number, select a digit, clear, in such a way that if you multiply this entire number by that digit itself, clear, then it may not exceed 889. So let us select a digit 7. Now this number became 127. Now the number became 127, multiply by 7. It, see, this is here, I put 7, 7 7 is 49, clear, and this is 4 is carry over, 7 2 is 14, 14 and 4, that is 18. Now 1 is carry over, 7 1 is 7 and 1 8, that is 889. 889 is the exact number that is needed. That is now, so 127 7 is 889. Subtract it. Now here 9 minus 9 equal to 0, 8 minus 8 equal to 0, and 8 minus 8 equal to, what do you see? We see that here remainder is 0. Since remainder is 0, so the process of square root is stopped, and the square root of this implies that square root of 4489 equal to 67. This is the answer, and this is how, children, clear, we find the square root of the given perfect square number using division method. Okay, children, let us move to the next question, that is question number 2. That is, what is question number 2? Find the square, find the number of digits. That is question number 2. Find the number of digits in the square root of the following numbers without any calculation. Okay, children, starts. What are the numbers? A is, let it be, that is fourth part. What is the fourth part? Fourth part is 27,225. 27,205. And fifth part is what? That is 3,90,000. 3,90,625. Okay, children, these are the two numbers. These are the two numbers, clear, that we are clear in. You have to find out how many digits will be there in the square root of these two numbers. Children, here one thing let me explain, that if the number of digits in the given perfect square number is even, let us write it down. That is start solution. Clear? If the number of digits, it is denoted by n. If the number of digits in the given perfect square number is even, then number of digits in its square root equal to n by 2. Okay, children, but if number of digits that is n in the given perfect square number is odd, then the number of then the number of digits in its square root equal to n plus 1 by 2. Okay, let us see the illustrations, then you can make your concept very clear. Now that is fourth part is 27,225. Okay children, how start solving? Here number of digits in 27,225 clear to is what? That is 1 2 3 4 5 is 5. That is what? That is n equal to 5, which is an odd number, n equal to 5. This implies that number of digits in the square root of what? 27,225 equal to n plus 1 by 2, that is 5 plus 1 by 2, which is 6 upon 2, and 6 upon 2 equal to 3. This implies that 3 digits will be there. This implies that you can write number of digits in the square root of 27,225 equal to 3 digits. Okay children, that is the answer. Similarly, this fifth part can also be done. What is fifth part children? Number is 3,90,625. Children, here start solving. Here number of digits n equal to 1 2 3 4 5 6. Here n equal to 6 children. Here 6 is even. Okay, this implies that number of digits in the square root of what number? Square root of 3,90,625. So number of digits in the square root of 3,90,625 will be, write down children, will be what? Will be, here 6 is even, that will be n by 2, that is 6 upon 2, that is 6 upon 2, and 6 upon 2 equal to 3, means 3 digits will be there. Okay children, so number of digits in the square root of 3,90,625 equal to 3 digits. Okay children, this is the answer. Now what is the next question children? Now question number 1 and question number 2 we have finished. Clear? What is question number 3? Let us see. Question number 3, what is it about? Let us see. Question number 3 states that find the square root of the following decimal numbers. Find the square root of decimal numbers. How will you find out this square root of decimals children? Let us take a few questions. That is, first one is, what is first one is 2.56. One is 2.56 and second also you take it, that is 7.29. that is 7.29. How will you find out, children? Here the first and foremost thing is to make pairs. 2.56 is the number. Okay, 2.56 is the number. Here how will you find out, how will you make pair, children? 2.56. Clear? Here see, decimal numbers have two parts. Integral part, what is this? That is a 2 point solution 1, that is 2.56. Integral part is integral part equal to 2, and decimal part is what? Equal to 56, that is 0.56. Okay, children. So first see, how will you find out how will you make the pair? See, for integral part, clear, we will make the pairs as usual as we were making, clear, till now. See, only one digit is there in integral part, so only one digit will be there in the pair also, and we will put the bar over that. Clear? So see, 2 will be there here, integral part. While making the pair of integral part, that is before decimal point, okay, see, we start from the rightmost digit, that is ones place. Clear? And two digits we take and form the pairs. Here only one digit is there in the integral part, so only only one digit will be there. Clear? And bar will be put over there. Now while making the pairs for the decimal part, clear, we have to start from the first place after the decimal point. First place after the decimal point is your 5. So first place, so 5 6 will be the pair, and we will put the bar over 56, that is 5 6. So here see, for integral part we will make pairs and put the bars as usual. Clear? Like the whole numbers. Okay, 2 here means from one's place we have to start, means from the digit just before the decimal point. Okay, and for this decimal part we will start making pair right from the digit just after the decimal point. Clear? That is 5 here, 5 and 6. Okay, start. Now the process is same, children. Now here 2 is your present dividend. Clear? Now you have to select a number, clear, in such a way that is 1 1 ja 1, you take 1 1 ja 1. Okay, here 1 can also be divided, children, in this method. So 1 1 ja 1, how will you take? That is 1 1 ja 1, 2 minus 1 equal to 1, and the same 1 will be added over here also to make this 2 and leave one place blank over there. Okay, children. Now decimal point will be shifted over there. Clear? Here in your quotient, and now 5 6 will be carried down. Now your present dividend became 156. Now we have to select a number, that is select a digit over here. Here let us take 6 over there. Now 26, try for 26 multiply by 6, that is 6 is 36, 3 is carry over, 6 2 ja 12, and 3, that is 15. 156 is the exact number that is needed. So this is 1.6, 26 6 is 156. Okay, children. And now this is 0 0 0. Here remainder is 0. It means that this implies that square root of 2.56 equal to 1.6. Okay, children. So what did you see? Square root of 2.56 equal to 1.6. This is how we have to proceed. Here, children, this is very much important, that see how you make pairs. See, if you're making pairs and putting the bars is correct, then you will proceed to the right path. Okay, children. Now let us see the next question. That is second part is 7.29. How will you find out? Right, 7.29 is the number whose square root has to be found out. Okay, children, draw the structure in this way. Now here 7 is what? 7 is your integral part, children. 7 is your integral part. So make the pair for 7. 7 itself will be there in the pair, and put the bar over 7. Clear? And for decimal part you have to start with the first place after the decimal point, that is 29. Okay, now for 7 See, if you take 3 3 is 9, then it will exceed, it will be greater than 7. So let us take 2, that is 2 2 is 2 2 is 4. Okay, and this is same 2 will be added over there, then 2 and 2, that is equal 4, and leave one place blank over there. 7 minus 4 equal to 3, decimal point will be shifted over there, and 29 will be carried down. Okay children, now select a number, clear, so that you can find out 329 or any closure number. Let us take, that is let us take 7 children. This is permutation and combination, this is guess method, clear. Now 47, 7 we have selected. Now the current divisor has become 47. So 40, so let us try for 47 7 ja. Whatever number you take over here, clear, the same number has to be multiplied by the this current divisor. 47 multiplied by 7, 7 7 ja 49. 4 is carry over, and 7 4 ja 28, 28 and 4, that is 28 and 4, that is 32, and 329 is the exact number that was needed. So this is 2.7 it became, and this is 329. This is 329. Okay children, now subtract. 9 minus 9 equal to 0, 2 minus 2 equal to 0, and 3 minus 3 equal to 0. Okay children, what does it mean? This implies that here remainder is 0. It means that square root of 7.29 equal to 2.7. As soon as the remainder becomes 0, the process will be stopped. Okay children, now the square root of 7.29 is 2.7. Children, now your this video is getting larger. See, this is very much important exercise of square and square root, that is exercise 6.4. here different types of questions are there, clear. By solving these questions you will be very much skilled, clear. Like question number 4 to question number 9, they are very much important question. So children, see, in order to get the perfection, clear, in your examination you are supposed to solve all these questions yourself, clear. Then only you will be able to solve in your examination, otherwise it will be very difficult, I tell you. See, go through all the rules and all the instructions, all the tips, clear, that we give and that is given in the textbook, clear. Then only we can proceed to the right path. Okay children, this is enough for today's class. Thank you and have a nice day.